Alright, guys, this is math or statistics, and group meeting lesson number 7. And we're gonna start figuring out whoever has questions. Anybody have any questions?
No, I don't think so.
Nope.
Kind of a fun review.
Alrighty, sounds good to me. Alright. Are you guys ready to start the quiz?
Yeah.
Yep.
Let's do it.
Alrighty. You guys ready?
Yep.
Alright.
Do it.
First question, or question number 3. Use the normal probability applet to find the combined area under the standard normal curve that is to the right of z equals 1.258 left of z equals negative 1.256. Round your answer to the nearest, or to your answer to 2 decimal places. Alrighty. That's pretty easy. You guys get
Over.
I got 0.175 is what I got.
That's what I got.
Yes, that's what I got too. I'll be right back. Yeah.
I don't know if that's going to work, but I'll turn it. So,
Alright, sorry guys. I had to hit the pause.
Yeah.
Question number 4.
Okay. So sorry, you guys.
it's okay.
Put on the magic school bus for my son.
That always works.
Good one.
Question number 4. Which of the following will have a smaller standard deviation in 9 observations randomly drawn from the population? A. The distribution of the individual observations. X. Distribution of the sample means. System often determined from the information. B. The distribution of the sample means.
Yeah, that's what I got, or I think.
Well, I have no idea, so.
Always deviation. 9 observations. The distribution of the sample means because there's less samples, right?
Yeah, that's kind of what I think.
Okay.
Question number 5. Which of the following results implies that the spread in X increases decreases, the sample size increases.
The notes say the law of large numbers.
Yeah.
So X decreases, sample size increases. Okay.
Alright.
I'm still increasing the samples be closer together.
Alright. Use the following information to answer the next four questions. Scores on the quantitative portion of the GRE are approximately normally distributed. Q equals 150.8 and the standard deviation equals 8.8. Diane earned a score of 160 on the quantitative portion of the GRE. What is the Z-score corresponding to Diane's score? Round answer community.
So we do 160 minus
So 150.
8
And then divided by 8.8.
divided by 8.8. Okay.
So I got 1.045.
Same.
Me too.
That's 1.045.
Yes.
Yes.
Agreed.
Alright, what is the probability that a randomly selected student will score above 160 on the quantitative portion of the GRE? Round your answer to the nearest 3 decimals. So we would.
I got 0.1480.
That's what I got.
Same here. But it would just be 0.148 since we only need to go 3 decimal places, I think. Yeah, it says right here.
148.
Yeah, you're right.
Alright. A random sample of 5 students was selected to take the GRE. Their scores are 160, 175, 163, 149, and 1. What is the Z-score corresponding? The sample mean of these students' scores. So line them up in order. Line them up in that.
Corresponding mean. So we just add it all up and divide by 5, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
and the Z-score.
So it's
Isn't it 1.045 again?
60. What is this? Yeah.
yeah.
Yep.
1.045. Aren't they tricky? Tricky them.
Yeah, so tricky and so funny.
All right. Number 9. What is the probability that 5 randomly selected students will have a mean score that is greater than the mean achieved by the students in the previous problem? Round answer to the unit first with 4 decimals. 5 randoms.
Isn't it 1.48 again? Or
Yeah.
0.148?
Yeah.
Greater. That is greater.
Would you guys agree with that? 0.148?
That doesn't seem. That kind of seems suspicious for the answer.
I know. Are we doing this right?
No.
So on the, I think we're supposed to look to. So if it's greater than, it would be to the right, because it's greater, and so it needs to be in the greater than box of. I got 0.0097. Because we're supposed to look to the right of the what is it called? I don't know what it's called, but to the right, since it's greater
Of
than
the
the mean. We're supposed it's greater than the mean, than the achieve. Then hold on, since we're supposed to look at the previous problem that we got 2 point or no wrong. Hold on, let me see it. I think we did the number 9 wrong as well.
Number 9?
You mean number 8?
Yeah.
Yes, that's what I mean.
what is
Sorry, I was looking at the wrong stuff.
sample mean of these student scores?
I think we did that right.
Because the mean is 160.
Yeah.
Take 160.
Okay, but the random sample is of 5 students. So don't we have
Not yet.
5 on number 8?
What was that?
Yeah.
Okay, so on number 8, it says a random sample of 5 students. No, never mind.
Sample mean of the student scores. This score corresponding. So our sample mean is 160. So we do the 160 minus the 150.8. And then we divide it by the 8.8, and that should get us that number again.
Yeah.
Okay, never mind then.
It seems like we're doing something wrong, though,
I know.
because it's going around in circles. Okay, please stop begging me, Kate. Once I'm done with this, we can play. But is number 9, is it a negative number? Or is greater? No, it should be positive.
Yeah, it should be positive since it says greater.
The 5 randomly selected students that will have a mean score that is greater than the mean achieved in the students in the previous question.
That's just
Is our z-score for number 8 supposed to be negative? This is the z-score corresponding to the sample mean of these students. No,
why would it
it's
be
coming out positive. I don't know. That 5 random students will have a mean score that is greater than the mean achieved by the students in the previous question. I don't know. It seems right.
I think it's right.
Alrighty.
So both number 8 and number 9 are 0.148.
No, number 8 is 1.045.
Oh, I don't know why I put that.
No worries. And then number 9 is 0.148.
Okay.
Right?
Hopefully.
Okay. Suppose the mean GPA of BYU Idaho students is 3.5. And standard deviation is 0.7.
Wait, for 9, should we look at the students that scored greater than, and just divide that number by 5, and that would give us our number? Or am I talking something else?
Saying what is the probability of the 5 randomly selected students above?
Means we're greater than the mean achieved by the students in the previous problem.
You guys
We can come back to that one.
Okay. All right. So number 10. Suppose the mean of GPA. Suppose the mean GPA of BYU Idaho students is 3.5. And the standard deviation is 7. It is well known that this distribution is a less skewed, a random sample of n equals 80 students. What is the shape of the distribution of the random not variable x, which represents the sample mean of 81 students who are selected?
Well, because it's a large number, so
What was that?
wouldn't it be approximately normal because it's 81 and that's over 30, which is a large number. And since it's a large number, it's approximately normal.
That's what I would put.
That's what I put.
I agree.
All right. What is the mean of the distribution of sampling distribution for all possible samples of size 81 that could be drawn from the parent population? Round your answer to 1 decimal point.
So isn't that the same as what the x is, or the mean already is from before? So we learned that the last lesson. So wouldn't it be the 3.5 still?
For all possible samples.
So would it be our value minus the mean divided by the standard deviation? N? What is the mean of distribution sample means for all possible samples? No.
I still think it's a 3.5 because it's the same as the mean of the students overall, the sample population or the parent population. I think we learned that last lesson.
Let's see. Yes, that's what it is, because if you look at the next questions, want to know what the standard deviation is, and then that's what we do the formula.
3.5.
Yeah, because that's what the mean of our students is.
And then the next one's 0.7.
Yeah.
An 8.
0.7 or 0.8?
0.7, sorry.
Okay.
Like, where are you rounding that from?
Now, explain yourself.
I'm looking
Alright.
at different. I'm looking at work computer and
No, you're good. Did you arrest anyone tonight?
Well, there's been a couple.
Cool. Number 13. What is the probability that the mean GPA for 81 randomly selected BYU Idaho students is less than? So, you guys hit 0.285 or 0.286. What are you guys getting?
Well, I'm working on it right now.
Is it negative 0.285?
0.286?
Yeah, 286. Thank you.
That's what I would say. Would it be negative or would it be positive?
And be negative. But don't we also divide it by the square root of 81?
No, it's asking what the probability is. So it would be, we just put that probability in the app and it would be 878 because it's less than, right?
Yeah.
So 3.388.
Okay, but I don't think that's right because I did the homework already. And I don't think we're supposed to use the homework on here, but that's a question. That's number 10 on the homework. So it says, what is the probability that the mean GPA of 81 randomly selected BYU Idaho students will be less than 3.3? We have the same mean of 3.5 on the homework with the standard deviation of 0.7. It's left skewed, just like on the homework. And my answer is 0.005.
I got the same thing too.
Wait, how'd you get that?
Okay, so what you do is 3.3 minus 3.5 divided by 0.7 divided by the square root of the number of students, which is 81.
Oh, I didn't do that part. Okay.
Sorry, explain that
Yeah.
one more time.
Okay, so you do your regular z, but where you don't stop there because you also have to divide it by the square root of 81. So it's
Okay, yeah.
3.3 minus 3.5.
Okay.
So you got 0.520?
0.005.
That's what I got too. 0.005.
I don't think you did the square root of 81. You calculated yours.
Which is 9.
Mhm.
So it's the 3.3 minus 3.5 in parentheses divided by, in parentheses, 0.0 or 0.7 divided by the square root of 81.
What was your answer, Heather?
It wasn't that because I didn't.
Wasn't it like
I-
2.571?
I got 0.520, but I'm retyping it in.
They have this really awesome math calculator on the internet. Symbol AB. It's step-by-step calculator, so all you have to do is put it in there and it calculates it for you, so you don't have to use your calculator. And then it tells you step-by-step. Symbol AB. SYMBOL AB. Symbol.
what was our answer again?
It's going to be 0.005.
How about you for that?
All right. You guys ready to move on?
Yeah.
All right. What is the probability that the mean GPA for 81 randomly selected BYU Idaho students will be greater than 3.3? I'm gonna switch it.
That was a crazy face. David got a picture.
So I got 0.995 for number 15. Or 14, I mean, sorry.
That's what I'm getting.
Okay, how'd you get that?
Yeah, that's what it is. Because if you take, okay, if you look at the other one and the answer is 0.005, and you want to find the ones that are greater than that, right? It's going to be 0.995. Because,
There-
you see what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, it's just the -1.
Yeah.
Gotcha. That makes sense. I was like, I
Makes
feel like I was
sense.
doing it wrong, but I guess I was doing it right. Okay. All right. Yeah. All right. Question number 15. The United States Coast Guard assumes the mean weight of passengers in commercial boats is 185 pounds. The previous value was lower, but was raised after a tragic boating accident. Standard deviation of passengers weight is 26.7 pounds. The weight of a random sample of 48 commercial boat passengers were recorded. The sample was obtained to be 177.6 pounds. Find the probability that a random sample of passengers will have a weight that is as extreme or more extreme than observed in this sample. Note, as extreme or more extreme means that we are not only interested in the values that are lower than the ones we observed, but also the values that are as far away from the mean as ours in the positive direction.
So we just need to find the probability of what is greater than. Okay.
Yeah.
It's good.
How old is it?
I just made it yesterday.
This sucks.
I know.
They're above or below the mean. Is it 0.026 or 27?
What was that again?
0.27? I don't know.
I like keep getting answers that I know they're wrong.
Actually, I got a negative z-score. So would it be 0.973? What did you guys get?
I'm still working on it.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure it out.
Taylor, we can't hear you. Your microphone's off.
How'd you guys get 0.97? How'd you get 9.7? 0.97.
I did the calculation of 177.6 minus 185 divided by 26.7 divided by the square root of 48. Once I got the z-score from that, which I got negative 1.92959, I put that in the probability app. And because it's negative, I highlighted the middle and the right part of the probability app, and that gave me that 0.9732. I don't know, is that the right way to do it?
You got 1.92, and that's what you put in the app?
Yeah.
9726, so 973.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me read it again. But I think
No,
that's
that's what you guys got.
I'm doing it right now.
Or cheesy bread.
that the random sample of passengers will have weighted streams. So it's saying it's extreme or more extreme, and then in parentheses it says either above or below the mean. So would that be on the left and the far right side?
Yeah, it would be.
Yeah.
So that's going to change it up to 0.055.
That's what I got the very first.
I think that's what it is, because you wouldn't be shading the middle and the far right side, because we're looking at above and below.
Mm-hmm. I just think this is a straight up confusing question.
So it would be 0.054.
No, 0.055.
Yeah.
Because I have the right and the left of my app highlighted, and then mine comes out to 0.0536.
What do you have in the Z-score? Do you have 1.90, 1.92?
For my Z-score, I have negative 1.92959.
Okay, that 1.92. It'd just be 1.92. That's going to change it up. Hold on.
We wouldn't round it up to 93 or 1.93.
Hold on just a second. Just a second. 185 was that number? 185. Hold on, let me recalculate this just a minute. Well, because when I did it on the calculator on the internet, I did 177.6 minus 185 divided by the 26.7 divided by the square root of 48. And that gives me negative 1.92018. So it's going to be, 1.92. So then that's what you would put in your probability applet on the Z-scores is negative, on the negative side, negative 1.92. And then you highlight on both sides. And so it's going to put, the area actually is 0.0549.
Yeah. Okay, I just rounded differently, and that's why I got the different number.
Yeah, I learned that you have to watch what you round.
Yeah. Don't. Okay.
How many places does it want us to round? Is it just 3 on here?
We got 3.
3. Okay, hold on. Let me just double check. I have 1.92. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the answer. And I'm breaking out in how.
I'm so over this class.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna save it. And then oh, do we want to go back up and look at number 8, or did we figure that out?
Nine. Are we looking at 9 again, or are we done?
I don't know. Do you want to look at 9 again, or did we figure it out?
I'll do that. diagram looks like the students will have a mean score that's greater than the mean achieved by the students in the previous problem. So all of them scored greater than the mean score, except for one. So would the answer be 4 divided by 5? Or is it different? Randomly selected student. I don't know. Dave, I don't want to think about it.
I just want to submit it to see if we got it right or not.
Okay, I'll submit. Hold on, I'll submit. Submit. Yes. 3 points. No, we got number 8 wrong and number 9 wrong.
Really?
And number 12.
That's it?
Yeah, this was 3.
Okay.
Random sample of students was selected first. What is the Z-score corresponding?
I have to go back in there.
How did we get that one?
See? What is the Z-score?
I'm trying to see if there's an example on the textbook.
So guys, I gotta go to work. Somebody's coming in for. They got arrested because they're stupid, so I have to go.
Okay, just submit your quiz and we can let you know.
All right, sounds good. Thanks, guys. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, I'll go back
What is
on my quiz. Oh, that's don't want to click on that. Okay. I hate math. Why won't it let me go back in?
Back in to retake your quiz.
Yeah, let me go back in, so I can't see the questions.
Oh, I have all the answers if you want.
Well, no, like I can't go back in to retake it. Does that make sense? Like I'm trying to get back to the questions themselves. I have to see it. I'm weird. Okay, hold on. I'm trying to.
Found your answer the 3 decimal.
Nope, not that one. I don't want the homework. Oh my God.
So our sample mean of those students is one. So we
What-
do 160 minus 150.8.8.
Which one are you guys
And
working on?
that should give us our
12.
number. Oh, I was working on 8.
Okay.
That's what I'm working on too. I still can't figure out why.
Student.
What is the z-score corresponding to the sample mean? It's asking for the z-score.
Count.
Yeah.
How did I even work that a while ago?
Been solving?
Would the z-score be negative 1.045? It would come up negative because the numbers would be different. And it's greater, so it should be positive. Never mind.
We're getting something wrong with the idea of sample mean rather than mean. Rather than
6. Okay, so we're actually supposed to use, like if you go,
Oh, we're using the wrong.
we're leaving out like the mean and the standard deviation stuff that we already have, right? So we know that the mean of what we just did is 160 out of the 5 numbers, right? And then so
Right.
we take 160 minus 150.8 divided by 8.8, but wouldn't we divide it by the number that we have, the new 5 numbers? Wouldn't we divide it by 5? Square root of 5?
Yeah, I think that's what we're leaving out.
Yeah. Okay, let me put that all in and then 160. No, wait. 150.8 minus 160. And then this is divided by, shoot. Why can't you just be easy? 8.8 divided by the square root of 5. And it's going to be negative 2.33771.
what was that?
Oh, no, shoot, I did it wrong. Sorry.
Nope. It needs to be positive.
Yeah, it's going to be positive.
Yeah.
I just entered it in. So 2.33771. 2.3. How many decimal places do we need? 3. Nope, sorry, I was on the wrong. So just round it 3 spots. 3, 3, 8. Okay, let's, do you guys agree with that?
338. Yeah, I do. I just got that number too.
3.8.
Okay, so let's work on number 9 and then we'll work on number 12. And then one of you guys submit it. And then if we get something wrong, then we can go back and work it. And then, you see what I'm saying?
What'd
So
you guys get for number 8?
2.338.
So she did the z-score calculation, but she also did the square root of 5 as our n, random sample number.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I think that's what we did wrong the first time.
I think so. So we were just using the wrong thing.
So,
And we got 9 wrong
yeah.
because we were using the wrong number.
Yeah.
2.238.
So then isn't that going to be, what is the probability?
Greater.
Don't you put that in the applet, right? The z-score in the applet?
Yeah.
And then it's 0.0097 because it's to the right of it because it's greater than, right?
Right.
I bet she gets a kick out of these videos because I'm sitting here scratching and
I know, right? I'm like,
So point.
oh, something.
greater than the mean achieved.
I doubt she watches every.
Okay, so it would be 0.0097, right, Heather?
Yeah.
0.0097. That's what I got to.
Me
Okay.
too.
Okay,
All right. Now 12 is another wrong question.
12 was wrong.
Of the distribution sample.
What I don't get is how can number 12 be wrong, but number 11 be right? That makes sense.
Distribution of sample means. What is the standard deviation of the distribution of sample means? The sample distribution for all possible samplings. It's not just asking what this standard deviation is.
So, okay, think.
Relation.
Hmm.
Do we need to solve this backwards?
Wait, I think, okay, so on the homework, it says, what is the standard deviation of the distribution of sample mean scores for all such samples? That's kind of the same question, right? For all possible samples.
That could be drawn from the parent population.
Okay, and then when I did that one, it's the standard deviation with the square root of the number. So the sample size is 81. I don't know if this is right, but, and then what is the standard deviation for that set of questions?
0.7.
7. So 0.7 divided by square root of 81 is 0.07777777. What was our answer before?
0.7.
It was just 0.7.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, because we just took standard deviation was.
so this time it
Oh,
says
sorry.
it's 0.078. I don't know if that's right. What is the mean?
I don't think that's right.
What is the standard deviation?
Question. That means
Sample.
entire population of Idaho is getting. Interesting. Seems.
And I think it, what, take a random thing?
Would it be standard deviation divided by the square root of 81?
That's what we just did.
Yeah, that's what I did. So I had
That's
0.7 divided by the square root of 81.
Okay.
But just a second. What is the, no, I'm not doing standard deviation. So much for notes.
Hey guys, me and my wife have to go somewhere, so I'm gonna peace out on this one too.
Okay. Will you at least see if number 8 and number 9 are right?
Yeah, I can do that.
I think it is the point 0777.
That's what I just put, so we'll see. See you guys.
I guess
got
we're around
8,
0.8.
And that's right, guys. 0.078.
Thank you. I feel so smart.
Sweet. Good job.
It doesn't seem right, but it is right. But cool.
Okay, so Heather, what was number? Bye. See ya.
Thanks.
Okay, so let me just.
All right.
Crap.
So number 3